dirty to me. You really wanna have me.
I guess I'll just set this here.
Okay.
I can't reach there, sorry.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. 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 And speak right all the time for the dude. Yeah. Clean up, wipe off time, detail. And while y'all doing that, y'all can check out my podcast at DEBATN Opinions. You heard? One more person, that I got one more here. If you want to be the set, you go. Woo. Hey, here you go.
Goddamn shit my damn self.
What's up, man? You cool?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah. See, that's what be fucking me up about motherfuckers. You heard me? When you come to work, you come to work. I mean, you can look laughing and joking time, but it ain't the time. This is work. This is a restaurant. They cook, I detail, and someone come in with it from time to time. Come part of the territory, but I'm the boss. Gotta roll.